Dreaming of studying abroad but worried about cost, language or where to even start? Guess what? France just might be your game. And today with Shiksha Study Abroad, I'll break down on everything you need to know. Universities, courses, cost or visas. So you can plan smart and be stress-free. Let's go!
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha Study Abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
France isn't just about croissants and Eiffel Tower. It's a global education hub. With 35,000 plus institutions and some of the world's top-ranked universities, Indian students are heading here in huge numbers. The best part? Tuition fees are super affordable as compared to US or UK. Okay, name dropping time. These are the universities that matter. Université PSL, ranked among the top 50 worldwide. Sorbonne University, world famous for arts and sciences. École Polytechnique, the INSEAD of France for engineers. HEC Paris and INSEAD, global business schools legends. Sciences Po, top choice for polytechniques. And IR, Université Paris-Saclay, STEM and research powerhouse. Now what can you study? Here are the courses Indians love in France. Business and Management at HEC, INSEAD, ESSEC. Engineering and Tech at Polytechnique, Central Supplec, Paris-Saclay. Fashion and Luxury at IFM, IFA Paris. Hospitality and Culinary Arts at Le Cordon Bleu. Political Science and IR at Sciences Po. Computer and Data Science, Grenoble Alpes, Paris-Saclay. Arts and Humanities at Sorbonne. Now here's the shocker. Public universities just cost 3,000 to 4,000 euros per year. Now compare that with 25 to 30 lakhs per year in the US or the UK. Around 800 to 1,200 euros per month. Higher in Paris, but way cheaper in student cities like Lyon, Lille or Toulouse. You have got Eiffel Excellence scholarship. We have a detailed video on this for you. Check the I button. Additionally, you can also avail other French government and university awards. And yes, Shiksha helps you apply to the right one. Just click on the link in description or the pinned comment to register for a free counseling session. Worried about French? Chill. Most masters and MBA programs are taught in English. But learning basic French helps you land jobs and enjoy daily life. Think of it as an upgrade, not a barrier. Talking about visa jobs in future, France makes it easier than you think. You get a long stay student visa, work 20 hours per week and then after graduation, boom, a 2-year post-study work visa. That means you can work in France or anywhere in the EU. And yes, internships are mandatory and paid. France is vibrant. World-class food, culture, student discount on transport, housing and even cinema tickets. Now I know all of this sounds exciting but a little bit overwhelming. Universities, SOPs, scholarships, visas, it's a lot. That's why Shiksha Study Abroad offers free counseling. Basically, we are with you from day 1 till the day you fly.
Confused about studying abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8130132440 for 100% free guidance.